A combination of vegetables mixed with meat, very healthy and delicious. This is Haitian legume. Welcome to Emma Food with another homemade recipe. Hello guys, how you doing? In this video, I'm gonna show you step-by-step process how to make a perfect Haitian legumes. So legumes can be making with any type of meat like goat, pork, turkey, but today I decided to make it with beef. So after washing the beef very well, I add it into hot water so I can get rid of the fat. And then after that, I will seasoning them very well with Haitian seasoning. I add some lemon, just a little bit, and adding seasoning, dry onion, paprika, salt, and Goya. So you can either add Goya or Maggi cube. So I use Goya instead of Maggi. So now I give it a good mix and I'm adding in water enough. I cover it with water so I don't have to add water little by little. I just had like enough water so the meat can be cooked. So now I'm peeling off the shallot, and now I'm gonna peel off the eggplants, and after that I will peel off the carrot and then cut the cabbage, but I also add some spinach, some watercress on it too. So now the meat is ready, it's completely cooked, and I take the meat off and I'm gonna cook my vegetables. So I added my vegetables in the same pan that I cook my meat, and now I'm adding the spinach and the watercress. I added the cabbage on top and the carrot on top, and I added the rest of the water that I have, the gravy that I have from the meat. I add it on top of the legume, so the legume will be boiling with it and have some good taste too. And now the vegetable will be cooked for about like 30 minutes or 45 minutes. So once it cooked, you take it off and you start matching them together until it comes very soft. It becomes very soft. And now I'm gonna fry some tomato paste, and I'm gonna also add some fresh tomato, and this is for color and a little bit of taste too. And now I'm gonna add the vegetable. You see how soft they are, so I'm matching them up very soft so the legume can be come out very nicely and very very delicious. And now I'm adding some parsley with thyme and some extra pepper, and I added my carrot. I cut them like small pieces, and adding my meat. Now let it dry a little bit, and at the end I like to add some fresh onion. Also guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. So guys, when I tell you this legume was so delicious, guys, you need to try this. I'll see you guys on the next video. Enjoy.